Let's take up this email from Saurabh Gupta. I want to buy an apartment nearby Sector 74 to 79 in Noida. I can wait for possession for next 2-3 years. My desired requirements are apartment size 1500 to 1600 square feet, bedrooms 3 BHK, budget 60 to 75 lakhs. It should have all modern amenities. I have selected Sikka Kimantra Greens, Sector 79 and Ajnara Belvedere, also in Sector 79. Please let me know which one is better and reliable.
Well, between the two choices made, one is the Sikka project and the other one is the Belvedere. We would like you to consider the Belvedere project over the Sikka project, trading at about 4,200 rupees a square foot. This project A is directly available with the developer. It's a 7.5 acre project having good connectivity. Amenities are great, swimming pool, clubhouse, wellness center, sports facilities, central lawn are all there. Project is located at the fag end of Sector 79, has good connectivity. Sikka project does not have bank finance as of right now, and developer claims that he has all the approvals, but we are very uncomfortable with projects that don't have bank finance, and I'm sure you'll also be looking for some kind of financing facility, so you can avoid this project. We've got 2 more recommendations for you, but let's just look at the key data points of this micro market. We're talking about the upcoming region of Noida, which starts at Sector 70 and goes all the way up to 122. Here the inventory overhang is about 28 months and the mid-segment's weighted average price is 5150 rupees a square foot. 10% annualized is the price appreciation. And the other 2 projects that you can look at is the Romano by Supertech. It's getting ready in 2017, all sold out, so available in the resale market. The project faces a 2-side green belt and there is a price advantage here, because if you look at the weighted average price of the market, it's trading at about 5150, and this project is a good 20% lower than the market average price. As such, project is located off 600 meters from the Pusta Road, which further connects it into the Noida Greater Noida Link Road. Project lies about 6.8 kilometers from the Noida city center and metro station. It has clubhouse, swimming pool, jacuzzi, party lawn, skating ring, amphitheater, many facilities being offered here. And lastly, you have Inspire by Eldeco Infrastructure at 5,050 odd rupees a square foot to 4,510 rupees. This is a part of a larger development of a 14-acre land parcel, lifestyle club with gym, billiards, table tennis, swimming pool, party hall, and the project comprises of 4 towers of G+24 stories, and there's close proximity to the Noida Ghaziabad Link Road as well.
Okay, Saurabh, so for you, under 75 lakhs, 2 under construction projects to look at on the Noida Expressway are the Romano by Supertech Limited and Inspire by Eldeco Infrastructure. Okay.